Hi, I'm Alex Cunningham. We are sitting in the Whisky Lounge at Slane Distillery, which is the home of Slane Irish Whisky, our triple cask blend. And we are going to talk today about what we're going to do in terms of sustainability at the distillery. We feel that sustainability is important in the bar trade because you need to think about where things come from and how they're made. We all have a responsibility to try and do a bit more. Some of the key measures that I'm interested in pushing would be firstly diverting discard, so getting the chef and the bartenders to talk to each other to figure out something that could be viewed as a waste stream. You could potentially turn that into a cocktail ingredient. Some of the initiatives that we do, for example, is we collect the rainwater off the newer buildings. That rainwater is then used in the process, thereby reducing our water consumption. We also have a co-products building. That's because we don't view our waste as waste. We actually capture the energy that's in it. So after distillation, you are left with pot ale and spent lees, which remain in the still. Quite often that gets sent off to waste treatment plants. Here at Slane Distillery, we'll be sending it forward to an anaerobic digester where it gets fed to microorganisms that create biogas. And that biogas can be burned right here on site to help heat the stills, which will reduce our fossil fuel consumption by up to 30%. Any distillery uses a lot of heat, which means a lot of energy. And we want to try and recover that energy wherever we can. So here in the brew house, we would be cooling our wort down from the lauter tun, but we use that cooling to preheat the brewing water for the next cycle. Our link to the land is also really important. We grow our own barley here, and the way that we treat the land in cultivating that barley means that we deliberately set out to promote biodiversity in doing so. But the byproduct from the stills, the stillage, actually goes to feed cattle on local farms as well. And then when the anaerobic digester is up and running, the substrate from that actually goes back on the barley fields as a fertilizer, closing the loop. Ireland has launched something called the Origin Green Programme, and we're very proud to be part of that at Slane Distillery. It effectively means developing a sustainability plan for your business, which has both short and longer term goals. So we will continue to evolve every year and improve on what we've achieved the previous year.